with convenience and accessibility, shopping and amenities, recreation and outdoor activities, education and working opportunities, diverse and vibrant community, balance of urban and suburban living. The list goes on. Here we are at Coquitlam Centre, within 10 minutes of walk. Welcome to my new listing, 1026 Settle Street, Coquitlam. This property is sitting on a spacious 8,712 square foot lot and features a quiet backyard that is perfect for relaxing and entertaining. The large patios are beautifully shaped by lush grapevines, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Surrounding trees add to the natural calm while offering excellent privacy, making it feel like your own private retreat. The property is conveniently located just a 10-minute walk from multiple transportation and shopping options. You can easily reach the nearest bus stop, West Coast Express for regional train service, and Skytrain Station for fast connections across Metro Vancouver. While relaxing on your balcony, you can take in these beautiful views of the surrounding scenery, creating the perfect spot to enjoy the tranquility of the area. Let's step inside and take a closer look. After entering a welcoming foyer, the main level offers a big living room, a bar with entertainment space, a sauna, a full bathroom, utility room with hot water tank and furnace. An unfinished area is perfect for a workshop. Let's head up to the second level where you'll find the heart of home, including a living room, dining room, kitchen, eating area, 3 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. The living room offers stunning views. It is also equipped with a cozy gas fireplace. Spacious dining room is right off kitchen. The kitchen features plenty of storage, making it easy to make everything organized. It is also included a dedicated eating area, which is perfect for casual meals or enjoy your morning coffee on your balcony. Three bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are located on the opposite side of the house, providing a private and separate space for rest and relaxation. At the meantime, the property offers development potential. It is located in the SkyTrain transit-oriented development Tier 3 zone, which offers great potential for future development due to its proximity to transit options. With a floor space ratio of 3.0, there's a chance for increased density, allowing for more space to be built on the property. It makes it attractive for investors and developers looking for a high-potential property in a well-connected area. Feel free to reach out to me if you're interested. Thanks for watching. See you next time.